Why don't Jews believe in Jesus as their Messiah? Most Jewish people are taught that Jesus is only for the Gentiles, and to believe in Jesus would be anti-Jewish. The truth is, many Jews have a warped picture of what faith in Jesus Christ is, because they've never read the New Testament, a book written by the Jews for the Jews. Unfortunately, if a Jew comes to faith in Jesus Christ, they must consider the social stigma they will face from friends, family, and the larger Jewish community. This can be another factor into why Jews don't accept Jesus as their Messiah. In Romans 11 verse 25 we read that blindness in part has happened to Israel until the fullness of the Gentiles has come in. Belief in Jesus Christ has become a stumbling block for the Jews, which has given opportunity for Gentile believers to have salvation. Jesus is the Jewish Messiah, and believing in him is the most Jewish thing a Jew can do.